Well, Joe, the moment of truth is finally here. To recap, put out a contest. I don't really know if it's a contest, what it is exactly, but it was something fun. Go online, build your dream G-Wagon, and we're going to then turn it into a little bit of a vote off. And the last G-Wagon standing, we will attach that to a future allocation. That is, I think, scheduled to be built late March. We would hope to have it here late April, early May. Bring it to life, which will be kind of cool. Going up all the time, I was on manufacturer websites just building my dream cars. A lot of people had fun with this. We had over 500 submissions, which was crazy. And I've gone through, gotten that list down to about 100. Tried to eliminate as much overlap as I could. And I'm hoping I didn't duplicate too much. What do you think the best way to do this is? Should we do a quick run through and then circle back and start eliminating ones that we think aren't going to be unique enough, cool enough?
Yeah, I would say so, because you already got it whittled down somewhat, right?
Right.
To get a lot of the overlap out. So yeah, I'd say just do a quick run through. Obviously, edit it down pretty good, and have some finalists that we discuss and go forward with.
Yeah.
But this is really fun, really cool idea. Gets everyone engaged in a positive way, and just like you, I spend a lot of time on the configurator, not just for Mercedes, but many different brands. It's not only a fun thing to do, but also educational as well too, to see all the little different details and intricate trims and colors and everything like that. So let's get to it.
First up, we have a very classic combination. I thought we were going to see a ton of this, and really didn't.
I like this one.
Yeah, here's a fun one. Twilight blue metallic with a professional pack. This one was kind of interesting. Graphite metallic with a sage interior.
Yeah, I think that works.
Very interesting. Next up, we've got Joe's special right here, right? You had a car just like this at one point, although this is Night Package Plus. Classic graphite over Bengal red, it looks like. Yeah, Bengal red, a little darker red. Desert silver. Yeah, desert silver metallic with a light interior professional. That was kind of an interesting vibe.
That worked well.
Kind of similar to the one we just looked at, but
a different variant.
A little bit of a different interior. This is Kalahari Gold Magno. So a little different than the one we just looked at.
For sure.
A porcelain interior with the contrast as opposed to all light interior.
This is interesting.
Yeah, this one was one of the few non-AMG or non-professional line.
Quick thing about this one, I like everything except for the bull bar.
But yeah, it being in chrome. Light red metallic. This is a very luxurious
is a cool one.
vibe.
I like that.
Yeah,
that works.
I like that they went natural grain on the interior.
I actually think that contrast works well with the wood.
Manufacturer Night Black Magno.
That's unique to see on a 550. That's a G63 build all day, but you don't see that on.
It is, and
with the Pro Pack.
It blue actually with no professional. The porcelain interior, a lot of porcelain and black interior. This is our first deep green with professional pack. Monza Gray Magno with a beige interior.
A color that looks significantly better in person than in pictures.
Sintered Bronze Magno.
Color I really love. That's a really good color.
That's another nice color with a light interior.
There's a lot of crystal white and porcelain. And
a lot of porcelain interior, Ave Silver with a light interior. The China with professional. I don't think the other two had professional.
They didn't. A lot of Night Pack Plus, dude.
Light black Magno with a brown interior. First Dakota brown Magno.
Okay.
And light interior again. They went with the wood, which I do think works on this interior. Yeah, this is the McDonald's spec. Now, this literally was done like 5 times, so eventually I caved and I included one because. I mean, no offense.
That's all I'll say. Okay.
Right. It is the McDonald's spec. We will leave it at that. Black with titanium. This is a little wild. Again, this is the emerald green metallic. Just barely works because emerald green in very low light conditions, as you know, is practically a black paint. Yeah. One of the only white cars that made the list. Midnight blue over red.
That's a Doug special almost right there.
Yeah, it's very close.
Very close to a Doug special. For those that don't know, Doug used to build a lot of vehicles in a dark blue, usually lunar blue, and then on a red interior GLC C-classes, and they did very well. A lot of people loved them.
They did. For at least 2 or 3 years, I was the only dealership in the country that was building them that way. So if anybody wanted one, they always found us, or dealer trades.
Exactly,
Rubelite car, Rubelite
this is
red.
Unique.
Yeah, this one with a saddle interior.
My favorite part about this so far is hoping to see like things that like you haven't really thought of or anything before so far. There's been a couple at least.
Another midnight blue, which Midnight Blue got a lot of love after the video that we made of that
Yeah.
G63, the Kalahari Gold Magno with a saddle interior. Desert Silver, but non-professional. Platinum Magno, which is a matte silver paint.
Another great one. Deep list of Magnos.
We
They're
truly
very
do.
underutilized.
We do.
Very underutilized.
This paint doesn't get a lot of love, but it's a very good paint. Deep green with saddle. China with sage.
That works.
With professional. Clean Desert Silver. Desert Silver got a lot of love. Another rubellite red. And this is what, saddle?
Saddle looks interesting in the rendering, though. But I know what that would look like in real life. That would work. By the way, that's a mistake on the MB part. That bull bar is supposed to be black.
Iridium silver. I think this might have been the one and only iridium silver. Which
That's unfortunate. I love iridium silver.
probably our most famous classic color, right? When you think of the silver Mercedes-Benz, this is like the silvery silver. Platinum, this one with red. An emerald with Tartufo. That's just a very nice, clean, classic combo there. There's another iridium silver on beige, which I affectionately refer to as the old man special.
That is the old man special.
But it's Night Package Plus.
It's Night Package Plus, so it's not, yeah.
You know, for the spunky old man. Night blue on platinum, matte gold. Some of these might be a little bit more. I did this over the course of 2 days, and it was a lot to go through. So there are a few that are a little bit duplicate. Here is our first Arabian gray.
How's that the first one? That's crazy.
Arabian gray on red.
Yeah.
Emerald green professional pack with platinum is a brilliant blue on saddle. So this is more of a bright metallic blue.
That's a Junior Doug special, actually. You did a few of those brilliant blue on browns.
Now
Sea blue.
Here's our first sea blue. Sea blue metallic, which is a kind of an aqua color.
I like this one.
Yeah, this is nice.
I like that.
Blue with Tartufo.
Yep.
Platinum Magno with, what is that, titanium? Oh no, this is black with a sage gray A-band. Here's our first cardinal red on platinum.
A good color for us as well.
White on white. Arabian on platinum. Olive metallic.
Oh, it's entered the chat.
Twilight on sage.
Okay.
A little adventurous. Rubellite on, Rubellite on black with an A-band. Classic olive on saddle with no night packages.
No night package.
You'll be happy to know. Now, this is a color that really does look great with or without night package. So this one was particularly wild.
Yeah.
Kalahari Gold Magno with a sage interior. So there's a lot going on here. And no night package. So I kept this one because it was just bizarre enough.
It works better with no night package, I'll say that.
Yeah.
I think that would be significantly more weird with night package. But
Indium gray.
Nice.
Indium gray, which we just had. And so now again, on the TV here, it looks very gray, but it's like a beigey gray, or like a taupe.
Yeah.
And this has the sage interior as well. So this one also, sage interior got a lot of love.
Yeah, that's tasteful.
Here's Arabian on Catalana, I believe.
Interesting.
There's a Monza Gray Magno on Espresso Brown, which is a very, very dark brown.
Yeah. That I feel like we've seen.
Olive on Espresso. So I feel like I kind of ended up keeping an olive with all the various interiors that it was chosen with. If the people want olive, we'll give them a few to choose from anyway. Deep green with saddle. Dakota brown with a light interior.
Interesting.
This, I think, might be the only China blue on red.
Good.
So
Dark
olive Magno.
Yeah.
Oh, dark olive Magno.
I like that one.
Beige.
I hope one of these last ones is an olive Magno professional.
Here's a deep green non-professional. I think the other deep greens were professional packs. This was a more tastefully done yellow.
Yeah.
I kept this one because this combination I think does work. Professional package with a platinum interior. It's safe.
90s Defender.
Yeah, it really. Ooh, I didn't even.
Yeah.
I like it even a little bit more now. Sea metallic professional, platinum with sage gray and black. And here's our olive Magno with professional.
There we go. All right, we got
this is a
Catalana A-band. That's nice.
Yep.
And the natural grain with I like that one.
Here's a red one with the beige interior.
And last
but not least is another platinum. There actually was a lot of platinum.
There's a lot of platinum Magno in here.
Yeah, there really was. Try to get this down to about 32.
Yeah.
So let's rifle through these, and anything that we're just really not feeling. I do want to have as many colors represented as possible. Not like a super exciting build by any means.
I say no. Good build, very good build, but
yeah. Twilight
Okay.
blue was sage. I think that's just adventurous enough
Yeah.
that we leave it in.
I'm fine with that.
This was graphite metallic.
I say keep that one in.
Yep, on sage, that one's cool. China,
That
on,
one I say no.
yeah, too
Yeah.
basic.
Same thing with that. I say no. That one's too
Mm-hmm.
replicated.
Desert on full beige interior.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, actually, it's not full beige
No.
because it's.
Well, it is.
Oh, it is. It's matte, yeah.
Yeah.
That one a little too bland.
I don't think so, but I don't think that's going to have a chance at winning. So for that, I would say I don't think.
Let's come back to that
Okay.
one real quick. I agree with you.
I like it, but
yeah, another China. This is another China over platinum. I think that's too.
Yeah, too done at this point.
This is the Kalahari Gold with platinum professional.
I actually say keep that in. I know that sounds weird. I think
it's a good build. I like that one. I think that's got a shot.
I say keep that in. That one.
No baby monos.
No.
Baby monos.
No.
And this one, no. This is the one
keep that.
that we liked. Yeah,
Keep that. Yeah.
I think that was really well done.
I think that's my favorite Rubelite one, or top two at least.
Now, is this just too basic?
I don't think it is, because it has professional package and it's a G550, which you don't see that too often.
Yeah.
So I say at least it's worth keeping for the 32 round.
Okay, I like it. And midnight blue over platinum. This one is, I think, a little on the safe side.
Yeah, I'd say no.
This is deep green with
There's
Tartufo.
a better variant of that.
Yeah, this was Monza gray with the beige.
Mm-hmm. The beige.
The beige. Yeah. Come back to that. Sintered bronze. I think this one's a little bland for me.
For sure. That one, no.
Mojave, no.
No.
No. China blue professional gets axed.
No.
Yeah, that one's a little.
That one that we did is going to be our night black Magno one.
Yeah, I agree.
For sure.
Might have to look at the matte browns next to each other to know for sure.
Right. How many do we have so far? What one? Two? No.
This one I think is just, now that we have that other yellow one, which I like a lot better.
Yeah.
This one I think is a little too.
Yeah, that's not. Yeah. Just be clear when we say no, that doesn't mean we don't like the builds. That means for the purposes of what we're doing.
Exactly.
Yeah, for sure. No.
And yeah, again,
Yeah, no.
perfectly lovely car, just not something that's going to win this. Midnight blue on red.
I don't think so. Not red pepper, at least. Definitely not.
No, I agree.
No.
Yeah, again, that's a little too bland.
No.
Yeah, I like the first one better. Midnight blue on platinum. I think did we already eliminate one of the midnight blues?
We did, or will. I think.
We might have to come back to that.
Hold that, because I don't think we did actually yet.
This is Kalahari Gold Magno.
No, we already have the white. I like the white one better, I think, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Desert Silver.
Mm-hmm. No, no. I like that build, but I don't.
We can come back to that one. And then this was
deep green on Catalana, right?
Yeah, deep green on Catalana and black. I think we can come back to that one too.
Yeah.
I just want to be sure we don't eliminate it. Is this the China that we're keeping with the sage interior, or is that too much? Why don't we come back to that one too, just to make sure we don't get to the end.
The last three,
This one,
that one, no.
Very nice, but a little bland.
No.
No, we already have our matte black.
No.
No here.
No.
This is iridium silver, professional.
Yeah, I'd say for the purposes of this, at least.
I like this one enough.
I like it, yeah.
Classic silver.
No.
No, this one isn't going to do it.
No.
Emerald.
Yeah, there's a better emerald in there, I'm pretty sure. No.
Eliminate the old man special.
Yeah, eliminate.
This is Kalahari Gold Magno.
That's the same thing as the
Is that the other one that we have?
Yeah, the other one we have is professional. No.
Arabian on red. Again, this is a little basic.
Right.
Okay, so this is emerald green on platinum.
Keep that, yes.
And this is South Sea, or I'm sorry, this is brilliant blue.
Brilliant blue, yeah.
On brown. Come back to that because we're actually starting to whittle it down.
Keep that.
Yeah, sea blue metallic.
Yeah.
This is a great car.
Keep that one.
And then this is another brilliant blue. The professional or the non-professional?
Professional. I like the spec better on the non-professional with the brown, but I like the professional. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that one. No.
That's a no.
No. No, I mean,
Come back to that one.
come back, yeah. It's a different at least now.
Yeah, too basic.
What's that one?
Dakota Brown on brown.
On saddle brown.
I think we kept.
I think we have another. Yeah, no.
Yeah, Arabian on platinum. Just because
Just
we're
keep
running
that,
low,
yeah.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
keep
yeah,
that
keep that
one.
one.
And then here's an olive on brown. Keep that one.
Yep.
And this is platinum magno on red.
How many? Hold on. How many do you have? One.
Let's see. Twilight blue on sage. We can come back to
Yeah,
that one.
Come back. Rubelite professional. So
Yeah.
keep that.
And this is just kind of a
Yeah.
a
No.
basic olive. This
No.
was the Kalahari gold with, yeah, that's a little much. And then indium gray with
That works.
sage. I like
Yeah.
that one. Baby monos, we're going to say no.
No.
Arabian on saddle. Let's see what we've got left.
Yeah.
So Monza gray on espresso.
Yeah. That's fine.
And then this is another olive. I think the other olive we kept was professional.
Yeah, that works.
So now we'll have to double check on similar.
Yeah,
We eliminate the other China, the China professional.
I think so.
This is olive magno.
Yeah,
On
keep
beige,
that.
we'll keep
yeah.
that. And deep green, non-professional.
Yeah.
Keep that because that's such a great paint. I really do love that
Mhm.
paint. I'm kind of an old man rubelite. We'll get rid of that one.
Mm-hmm.
I
That
like
one
the
we'll
old
keep for the
90s Defender
90s
crowd.
Defender. Yep, keep that one because that one's different with the black interior as opposed to that.
And then platinum magno with
That-
sage
yep,
gray.
I like that.
Like that.
Olive with that has something Catalana A band, I think.
This is a different enough combination that we
Hold
can,
on. How
let's
many
count
do
how
we
many
have?
we've got. So this one's got a two-tone interior. And this one is a single tone. So which do we like better? The two-tone?
I say that saddle works better, but
Well, this is Catalana beige, and this
Yeah.
is, yes, saddle.
that's more expected, I think, to do the saddle brown.
Mm-hmm.
Although I prefer it a little bit more, I mean, I don't think you can go wrong either way. So I say get rid of that saddle one.
That two-tone interior,
Mm-hmm.
where now this dash becomes, all the color of the seats.
Right.
For everybody who didn't participate and has made it this far, we will show you exactly what you're looking at when you come into the build tool here. And it can be a little overwhelming. So here are the paints that we have, 30. You have 30 paints to choose from, and then a number of wheel choices, some of which are if this, then that, right? So if you pick a certain package, then
Yep,
you will be
it'll
limited
make
to wheels. Thank you to everybody who participated.
For sure.
We're going to take these 32. They're going to go head to head. We'll get it down to one, and the winning build, we are going to put in the pipeline. We are going to bring it here. And when that happens, I'm actually going to be really excited to find out who buys it,
Right.
and do they buy it knowing the kind of the history behind
history,
it, or is it just like a random person that ends up, reaching out for one reason or another? So, Joe, thank you for assisting me with this today.
For sure.
Good deal. All right.
Cool. All right.